In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gemini with Google Drive. First, open your web browser and search for Gemini. Look for the official Google result so you know you're in the right place. Once you're on the Gemini page, go ahead and sign up to create your account. If you already have one, simply sign in. Using the same Google account you use for Drive will make the next steps seamless. After you're in, head to Settings. You'll usually find this by clicking your profile picture or the gear icon in the top corner. In Settings, open the Connected Apps section. This is where you manage which services can share information with Gemini so it can help you faster. Now, find the Google Workspace toggle. This is the switch that controls whether Gemini can securely use your Drive, Docs, and Gmail to answer questions based on your own content. Flip that toggle on. When you do, you'll see a prompt to connect. Click Connect to grant permission for AI on Google Search to access your Drive, Docs, and Gmail. Take a moment to review the permissions so you understand what's being shared. You can return to this same settings area anytime to turn the connection off if you change your mind. Once you're connected, you can start using your Drive content directly in your prompts. A quick way to guide Gemini is to type @Google Drive in your message. That tells AI on Google Search exactly where to look. For example, you might write, @Google Drive find my flight itinerary for next week, or @Google Drive summarize the latest project brief. Being specific about file names, dates, or keywords will help it find the right document faster. If you prefer not to rely on the connection for a query, you can manually attach files to a conversation. Click the plus button, the small plus icon next to the prompt bar, to add content. Then choose Google Drive. This opens a file picker where you can browse your folders and select the exact file you want to share with Gemini. Attach it, and then ask your question, like, summarize this document, or extract action items from this slide deck. This method is great when you want to keep the scope narrow to a single file. That's it. You've searched for Gemini, signed up, enabled the Google Workspace connection in Settings under Connected Apps, granted access, and learned 2 ways to bring Drive content into your prompts, using @Google Drive and attaching specific files via the plus button. With these steps, you'll get faster, more contextual answers while staying in control of what you share.